Hello everyone, welcome to Learn Spanish with Dummy. So today we're going to learn about the gender in Spanish. So why gender? Because Spanish word has gender. They can be male or they can be female, unlike in English. So we're going to learn how we can identify that and why to learn that, because Spanish is all about gender. You're going to find it everywhere. So let's go ahead. So how to know the gender? So the first is male words end with O. So most of the male words are going to end with O. So I've got the example here, coco. Coco means coconut and it's male because it's ending with O. We've got banco. Banco, it's bank and it's male, O ending, right? So you find the word with ending O, they would be male in Spanish. We've got another that's female word end with A. Now we've got here mesa. Mesa means table and it's female because it's ending with A. We've got another one that's estrella. Estrella means star and again it's ending with A, so it's female. Now the question is, what about if the word is not ending with O or it's not ending with A? Then what we're going to do in that case, right? So yeah, we got a lot of words such that's not going to end with none of them. So the answer is simple, that in that case you cannot identify the gender. Like there is not such rule. Alright, so just the best thing is you just see the dictionary and you just see what is its gender. But the good thing is that most of the word ends with O or A, and moreover the gender is something you just understand, you just get to know by yourself once you keep using that word and your just brain got stuff. So next we're gonna see some of the male and female words. Alright, so you got here chico. Chico means boy, and we've got chica. Chica means girl, right? Chico and chica. So you've got here a niño. A niño means little boy. Niño. We've got niña. Niña means little girl. And we've got hermano. Hermano and hermana. Hermano is, it's brother. Hermana is sister. Hermano, venga hermano. So we've got here primo. Primo. Primo means cousin, who's male. Prima means a cousin, female. Primo, primo, and prima. Alright. I've got tío. Tío is uncle. Tía is aunt. Tío, tía. We've got here perro and perra. Perro is dog, and perra, you know it, right? And perro and perra, and it's not cool to say this to anyone. Alright, so that's all, and that's all about gender. So I hope you like this video, and yes, we are good to go.